Hay mga kaaral, napansin nyo ba na although it sounds weird to say milks, waters, beers, and juices because these are liquid substances and are therefore mass nouns and uncountable, it sounds fine to say drinks and beverages. Yan ay dahil these liquid substances usually come in a small amount. They usually come in bottles, cans, and in boxes, and therefore they appear bounded in our perception. Moreover, dahil iba't ibang variety sila, iba't ibang drinks, ang nangyayari ay, sa paningin natin, they are heterogeneous. And these are the characteristics, if you remember, of objects. Kaya naman, although hindi pwedeng i-pluralize or lagyan ng S ang dulo ng mga words na juice, milk, water, and beer, it's fine to say beverages and drinks. Pero, hetong tanong mga kaaral, although it sounds perfect to say an octopus and a fish, bakit nawawala ang an and a kapag nagtanong ka tulad nito? Do you like eating octopus? Do you like eating fish? You don't ask, do you like eating an octopus? Do you like eating a fish? Yan ang sasagutin natin sa next video. So sana ay huwag kayong mawala. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.